Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a close look at the EGO Power LM2135SP 21-inch self-propelled lawn mower kit, and this bundle even includes an extra BA2800T 5.0 Ah battery, making it a serious contender for anyone who wants power, convenience, and extended runtime without the hassle of gas. Right out of the box, this mower feels premium and well built. It features a 21-inch cutting deck, which is perfect for medium to large lawns, giving you a wide cutting path so you can finish faster. The self-propelled system is a huge plus. It automatically adjusts to your walking speed, which means less effort and smoother mowing, especially on slopes or uneven terrain. Now let's talk performance. This mower delivers gas-like power thanks to its high-efficiency brushless motor. You get consistent torque without the noise, fumes, or maintenance headaches of traditional gas mowers. The Select Cut multi-blade system lets you choose between mulching, bagging, or side discharge, giving you flexibility depending on your lawn care needs. Battery life is where this bundle really shines. The included 7.5 Ah battery already offers solid runtime, but with the extra 5.0 Ah battery, you can extend your mowing session significantly without interruption. This is perfect if you have a larger yard or just want backup power ready to go. Plus, the rapid charger ensures minimal downtime between uses. Another standout feature is the LED headlights, which allow you to mow early in the morning or late in the evening. The adjustable cutting height positions give you precise control over your lawn's appearance, from a close trim to a higher cut for healthier grass. And when you're done, the foldable design makes storage super easy, saving space in your garage or shed. Overall, the EGO Power LM2135SP is powerful, efficient, and incredibly user-friendly. If you're ready to upgrade from gas to a cleaner, quieter solution without sacrificing performance, this is a fantastic choice. If you're interested, check the link in the description to grab yours today, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews like this.